So I'm here right now in the hospital, but I'm gonna be looking here. So what I got, cause I'm just borrowing these. So yeah. So I found. Let's do this later. What's this? What's the brand? What's the brand? That's so pretty though. I really like this. Okay.
Change na dahil take a shower.
Wait.
May hot water ito.
Really?
Ito siya. Ito sa bahay ng tita niya.
These are shorts. Oh, these are shorts. What brand is this? Wait, there's no brand.
Sinusubuan pa.
There's no brand. There's no brand. Wait, I'm gonna see. Oh, there's a jacket inside here.
Oo, kasi
Oh, what? Okay, what's this one? Okay, this is fine.
Saya talaga na doon. I don't want to visit Vietnam.
Okay, let's go see this brand.
Pinasulat ko rin.
Just borrowing these stuff. But I don't know what to wear actually. I wanna wear. What's this?
O yung ano nga lang, hawak ko. Na-distract lang siya din sa ano. May ant-bite kasi siya, tapos tinatabunan niya ng bandage. Okay, kaya na sulat.
I really like this.
Pero yun ano, yung may stud kasi na siya, pinafocus din.
What's the brand though?
So, sa government school siya na
Hindi, private school doon. Yung may Christian school doon sa... nasa Christian
For
school.
21!
School? Ano yun? Sa
Gosh.
Baptist and
Oo.
Noble Mind.
noble man.
I wanna keep this.
Kasi,
Saya-saya ako.
I wanna keep this right now, but I can't. I'm just borrowing it.
Sa distant learning, sa Cebu din.
Oh my gosh. It's like so big. But
Akala ko sa school niya.
Parang wala silang...
So big.
Sa isang auntie niya ito. Isang ibang bayan.
So I'm gonna be wearing this together. So I don't wanna be like seen. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Bye guys.